Just say no. Don't do it. Drinking and driving isn't worth it. Drugs aren't worth it either. They're not legal or they're not good for you. Because just because something's legal doesn't mean it's good for you. You can go on a drinking spree for days and it's legal, but you'll die. It's not worth it. Because you are worth way more than the drugs and the alcohol are. It can kill you. Hundreds of millions of people die a year just because they're dumb enough to do it. It's just not worth it. Limit your food. Food is good and everyone loves it. It's a good treat after a long day and when you're hungry, but you eat 7 Big Macs a day, you're gonna be a Big Mac by the time the week's over. It's not healthy for you. You're just gonna keep going downhill and your reputation's gonna be ruined from a good looking person to a overweight, miserable person who just sits down and watches TV all day because they're too miserable to get up off the couch. It's sad. Food can also mess your life up too, and too much of it can be bad for you. Food makes fat, and fat makes a heart attack. Which leads us to our next point. Heart attack on a stick. This is heart attack on a stick. It's not healthy for you. In my opinion, it doesn't even taste good. It's just fat. That's all it is. Fat with sugar on it. There's nothing good about this, or nutritious or healthy in any way at all. It's just, like I said, pure fat. And if you eat it, you're most likely gonna get unhealthy and you're gonna get out of shape. And if you eat, honestly, if you eat a few of them, you may even have a heart attack. They're not good for you. Well, we can't stop you from doing drugs or getting out of shape, but we can tell you it'll ruin your reputation. It'll destroy you, bring you down. Food will just make you out of shape and miserable and can kill you. Drugs are most certain to always get you in trouble by the police. So, one day you're watching TV and there's a warrant on you just because you decided to have fun. Well, it's not fun. We can tell you that for sure. It's not good for you any way at all, and it's not like food where if you just eat all the time. No. You do it one time, you can die. So please don't do it. It's really not worth it.